Today we are comparing two of the biggest premium earbuds that you can buy, the Sony WF-1000XM6 and the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Both are flagship models with strong noise cancellation, great sound and modern features, but they are built for slightly different users. So in this video, we will compare design, price, battery, features, connectivity, and we will finally decide which one you should buy. Price comparison. The Sony WF-1000XM6 launched in the premium range, usually around $299 to $349 based on the region. The AirPods Pro 2 are generally priced slightly lower, often around $249 to $279, and they are frequently available with discounts. So in terms of price, of course, AirPods Pro 2 is the winner because it offers flagship performance at a slightly more affordable level. Design and build. In terms of design, the Sony WF-1000XM6 has a slightly larger earbud shape and a more traditional in-ear style. The case is also a bit bigger and the earbuds feel solid and secure once they are in place. On the other side, the AirPods Pro 2 feels smaller and lighter with Apple's familiar stem design and a more compact charging case that is easier to carry in a pocket. So the winner here is again AirPods Pro 2 simply because they feel more compact and more comfortable for most everyday users. Battery life. Battery life is strong on both, but Sony usually delivers long continuous listening time, especially with noise cancellation turned on. While AirPods Pro 2 also provides solid daily battery performance, but Sony tends to last a bit longer overall for extended sessions. The winner in the battery life here is Sony WF-1000XM6. Features and upgrades. Sony's biggest strength is sound and noise cancellation. The WF-1000XM6 improves audio tuning, delivers richer details, and offers some of the strongest ANC performance available, especially for travel and busy environments. And AirPods Pro 2 focuses more on smart Apple features, including spatial audio, adaptive transparency, and seamless integration inside the Apple ecosystem. So, the winner depends on what you care about most. If your priority is the best sound and strongest noise cancellation, then definitely Sony wins. But if you want smarter everyday features and Apple convenience, then AirPods wins. Connectivity and daily use. The Sony WF-1000XM6 works well across both Android and iOS, making it a better option if you use different devices or want some flexibility. AirPods Pro 2 is unbeatable for iPhone users with instant pairing, smooth switching between Apple devices, and a more effortless daily experience. The winner in connectivity is AirPods Pro 2, especially for Apple users. Final verdict: which one should you buy? If you want the best sound quality and strongest noise cancellation and you don't mind paying a little more, the Sony WF-1000XM6 is the better choice. But if you want the best value, smaller design, and the smoothest experience with iPhone and Apple devices, then definitely AirPods Pro 2 is the smarter buy. Overall, AirPods Pro 2 is the better all-round option for most people, while Sony WF-1000XM6 is the winner for pure audio and ANC performance. Thanks for watching Smart Tech Radar. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.